Alright, so where you at today?
Fishland?
Fishland, out here. Alright. So we got some fish?
Yeah.
Alright, sounds good. What do you got over there?
Little puffer.
Little puffer.
Another lionfish. Smaller.
Another lionfish.
Oh, look at our vinyl.
Vinyl tiger barbs. You got a bunch of barbs on.
Yeah,
Tiger barbs.
They
These
have
are vinyl.
more than like this much, and then we just took like 5 of them. Like 16. He swam too hard into the one, and his brain went out.
Why are you so mean?
I don't know.
I love neon tetras. You like neon tetras? Yeah, no.
They don't
Look, a
grow
bunch
though.
of puffers.
It looks so funny.
Let's play Finding Nemo. Oh, this right there.
I don't think fish are supposed to be friends. That's a weird fish.
That's the one from earlier. You saw how it changed.
It changed to yellow and his eyes changed to all black.
You want one of those right here?
I don't want that.
It's scary looking.
Oh,
Like
look
you.
at that lizard thingy. Oh, I want to get this one. Right there. Oh, look how many members there are.
Yeah, Nemo.
Yeah.
So what do you want to get for your salt water? You have it.
Nemo?
Nemo's only. Let's look at the coral.
No fish in here.
No. I think there's a Nemo over there with a coral in it. Want to go see it?
Where?
On this side.
That thing in the back corner.
I don't think people will be able to see it. Let's see.
Yeah, it's kind of too.
There's a Nemo on the back. Look at that fish on the back. Looks weird.
Well, that's the thing we saw earlier. Now you can see. These look like they have no eye.
Alright, so what are we about today?
Peacock.
That's not a peacock.
I mean a parrot.
It's a parrot.
I call it a tomato fish.
A tomato fish?
Yeah, he
I'll
looks
drop
like
a picture right there. There's a tomato. Alright, so Fishland, right? Alright, awesome.
So we got this. So right now we're gonna go back home to put this tomato fish in the fish tank. So yeah.
Fish, let me see it. Like a tomato.
Yeah, he looks like a.
We're about to go to Walmart right now so we can show them what a tomato fish look like.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, guys, so we're pulling into Walmart already.
Yeah.
Right there.
And with this bullet I'm gonna make a tomato fish.
Oh, yes.
So this is gonna be different like this, and then the head like this. And then lose the water.
We'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, they put self-checkouts, huh? They have self-checkouts here. They remove everything.
That's so funny.
Tomato fish, right?
And then this is like our tomato fish.
Looks exactly like your fish.
Exactly like
It just has eyes and fins on them.
Yeah, it has eyes and fins.
You want to do self-checkout?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Look, you pick up this thing right here.
Oh, this thing?
Yeah, you can use either one. Got it? Alright guys, we just got back home.
Yeah, we just got back
And
home.
who's this right here?
That's Panchito. And this is
Panchi?
tomato fish.
Tomato the fish. Watch it. This looks like he wants to eat it. Go, watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Oh my God, he dropped the fish on the floor. Alright. Hey. Oh, goodness. Conchita wants to go chase somebody.
So, right now we're about to put the tomato fish in.
Tomato fish? You haven't shown everybody all the fish you got after the Red Devil, right?
Yeah, Red Devil, we did a video, but we took him away. We put him in the river.
Alright, so this is your fish tank now?
Yeah, this is my fish tank. We also have one fish that is hiding somewhere. There it is. Let go.
I don't think you're gonna be able to see it.
Yeah, it's too black.
Too dark.
Let me try to move the light more. Oh, there you go.
It's so too dark. Oh, yeah, you can see it. It's over there in the back.
No, he's on the rock. So that's the one secret fish that always hides. It cleans the fish tank because I'm lazy to clean it.
We got a bunch of tiger boards.
Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
You don't know what you're
13,
counting.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Oh, look at tomato fish.
Yeah, tomato fish. We didn't have one. We,
Oh, catfish.
some loaches that look the same as the barbs.
Catfish. And this is the bad guy right here?
Yeah, that's the bad guy. That's the evil fish right there.
Oh, and that's a big fish right there.
Yeah, big fish right there.
The Oscar. Oh, look at albino.
Yeah, albino right there. So right now we're about to feed the Oscar.
Hey, that's too much fun.
Oh. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Bye guys!